Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the most futuristic, beautiful smart band smartwatch in the market, the Kospet Tank X1. As you can see here, it is breaking boundaries with its design and features. Okay, the Kospet Tank S1 is the latest smart band or wearable from Kospet, and it is also a popular fitness tracker for those who are looking for a unique looking piece of wearable. And as you can see here on the graphics, it has a beautiful look. So we are going to have the unboxing review of the Kospet Tank X1 smart band or smartwatch. So if you want to ask some questions, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Kospet Tank X1 breaking boundaries. And before we open the box, the packaging here, let's check first some of the details. Okay, and as you can see here, it is military grade, waterproof rated, Gorilla Glass, what else? Certified IP69 1080M waterproof. Okay, so STD810H certified Corning Gorilla Glass 1080M, always on time display, full metal body, nice. And we have 1.47-inch AMOLED display. So here are some of the features, okay, for the smartwatch. Very long standby time, as you can see here. And we have up to 70 sports mode. And here at the back we have the specifications. Okay, so we are going to check on that later on. And it is using the Kospet Fit, its own homegrown support app for its fitness tracker, so we can be sure that it is stable and with fast connectivity. Okay, so I think we're ready now. So let's open the box, the Kospet Tank S1. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here. Okay, we have a beautiful box here, and I'm really interested to see the design of the Tank X1. So if you're looking for a futuristic look, okay, for a fitness tracker, I think this one is one of the best so far in the market. Okay, so let's remove the box here. Okay, it's really hard to remove the cover. Okay, so let's check on the Kospet Tank X1. Okay, we have here the smart band or smartwatch. Let's go first with the user manual. Tank X1 user manual. Let's get it here. Okay, again, this is the Kospet Tank X1. So we have the user manual, and what's this? Okay, just say thank you and warranty. Okay, so we have here the fitness tracker, some of the instructions available in English and other languages. Okay, so and here on the side we have the charging cable. The box is very compact. Okay, so pogo pin, I think. Yes, it's magnetic. USB, and we have the fitness tracker here, or the smart band. Okay, so all metal body with a silicone strap. Okay, so great packaging, by the way, from Kospet, as expected. They have beautiful wearables these past few years. They are one of the top, okay, manufacturer when it comes to outdoor rugged fitness tracker or smartwatches. Okay, so let's remove this strap here so you can appreciate the beauty of this wearable. Okay, so let's remove the plastic. Okay, so we have here our wearable, the Kospet Tank X1. So far it looks good. It looks nice. Okay, let me wear it. Okay, beautiful fitness tracker here. I'm impressed. Okay, I like the design. So we have here a power button on the side, a button dedicated for sports tank. And imagine this is IP69 rated, waterproof up to 10 meters. Okay, and we have Gorilla Glass screen, as you can see here, high pressure water resistant, so very durable smart band. So this is not just your any other regular fitness tracker. This is built for outdoors. Okay, designed in USA, made in China, and it has a weight to it. Okay, trust me. Let me check on the weight here. So 00, so it is around 50 grams. Okay, more heavy than a smartwatch, okay, or a regular size smartwatch. I guess this is due to the metal body frame here. Very durable, and I must say it is beautiful, very sexy, futuristic looking fitness tracker. Okay, I like the look here. And for the specs, so let's check for the specifications. So Kospet Tank X1, 1.47-inch AMOLED screen with 194 by 368 pixel resolution. So it runs the Realtek 8762DW with 10 to 15 days for daily usage, and based on the box, it has a very long standby time of 50 days. Okay, if you're not using it, it will still work, okay, for after 50 days or in the span of 50 days. So we have 1080M and IP69K waterproof rated, 70 sports modes with smart recognition. I think 5 sports is recognized by the fitness tracker. Automatic blood oxygen monitoring. We also have heart rate measurement, and compatible with 7.1 Android and iOS 10.0 and above. Okay, so it is a beautiful looking fitness tracker. So we have here, to give you a comparison, we have here the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Look at the difference on the design. Okay, looking like just a regular fitness tracker. This one, it looks like a fitness tracker or a smartwatch, smart band from a movie. Okay, it looks good, futuristic, okay, mechanical looking sports smartwatch or smart band, the Kospet Tank X1. So we are very excited to check on the menus and features of this wearable. So let's see if there's still power. Okay, there's still power. Okay, so we are going to scan the code and pair it with a support app. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, as we explore more on the Kospet Tank X1, we are going to check on the menus and features of this beautiful wearable from Kospet. So if you have any questions regarding the Kospet Tank X1, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.